Hello everyone! In this video we'll cover three main topics: custom sections, custom codes, and language and terminology. Let's start with custom sections. You can use this feature to add text, images, links, or even a call to action that appears exactly where you want it on the page. First, open the Add New Section panel. Start by entering a title for your section. Then choose the section type. For this example, I will select image plus text plus button. Next, choose the display location. I will place it below the hero section so it appears near the top of the page. After that, select the layout. You can choose image left, image right, top, center. For now, I will go with the image left. Now add your content. You can write any text you want inside this field. Then add the image URL. Add your alt text to describe the image for accessibility. Below that, fill in the bottom text. I will write get started, for example. Then enter the bottom link. You can also adjust the alignment of the container, the title, and the text. These settings help you control the look and structure of the section. Once everything is ready, make sure the section is active and then click create. Your new custom section will be added to your directory, and you can switch to the preview tab to see exactly how it looks. And that's it, you've successfully created a custom section for your directory. Now let's move to the custom codes. This feature lets you add JavaScript to your directory for extra functionality, such as analytics, chat widgets, or custom tools. And you can place your scripts in two essential positions. You can either place it in the head, which loads before page content. It's ideal for tracking codes like Google Analytics or Facebook Pixel. And by the way, we already have our own built-in analytics system. We integrate Google Analytics automatically, so no need to do that here. You can also place the code inside the body, which loads after page content, and it's perfect for widgets or interactive features. You can add external or inline scripts from any domain, including your own, and only clearly harmful scripts are blocked. When finished, just click Add Custom Code to save. And here is an example of crisp chat widget that I have added, and it's working perfectly. Now moving to the language and terminology. This feature helps you set your directory's language and customize the field names to match your niche. This is especially helpful when your directory is not focused on businesses, for example, a real estate directory or property listing site. You can rename the default terms to fit your content. For instance, you can change business information to house information, or listing to property. You can also update individual labels such as the tab name, tab description, section title, phone label, email label, operating hours label, and also location map label. You can leave any field empty if you prefer to keep the default wording. And yeah, this feature makes it easier to adapt your directory to your audience or your specific industry. And more terminology options will be added in the future based on customer requests and your feedback. And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you learned something new, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.